Are you ready to tell what time is it? Oh yes, today we are going to learn on how to tell the time. Every day, 24 hours a day, 60 minutes an hour, 60 seconds a minute, it's one must learn and understand how to tell the time at any point of the day. Are you ready? Ang parating tandaan na may 3 pointers ang orasan. Ito ay ang tinatawag nating second hand, minute hand, and hour hand. Tingnan nga natin kung marunong na kayong magtingin sa orasan. Question number 1. The time is 6:55 or 5 minutes before 7. Number 2. The time is 2 o'clock. Question number 3. The time is 2:35. Question number 4. The time is 2:45 or 2:45. Number 5. The time is 2:50 or 10 minutes before 3 or 10 to 3. Question number 6. The time is 2:55 or 5 minutes before 3. Question number 7. The time is 2:55 or 5 minutes before 3. Number 8. The time is 3 o'clock. Question number 9. The time is 3:30 or 3:30. Number 10. The time is 3:45 or 3:45. Number 11. The time is 4 o'clock. Question number 12. The time is 4:05 or 5 minutes after 4. The time is 4:05 or 5 minutes after 4. Number 14. The time is 4:05 or 5 minutes after 4. Number 15. The time is 4:25. Number 16. The time is 4:40 or 20 minutes before 5. Number 17. The time is 4:50 or 10 minutes before 5. 18. The time is 4:54 or 6 minutes before 5. 19. The time is 5 o'clock. 20. The time is 5:10 or 10 minutes after 5. 21. The time is 5:15 or quarter after 5 or 5:15. 22. The time is 5:50 or 10 minutes before 6. 23. The time is 5:55 or 5 minutes before 6. 24. The time is 6:55 or 5 minutes before 7. 25. The time is 7 o'clock. Congratulations! This is the end of the quiz.